In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a simple drill to work on your single leg ankle stability, but in a forward leaning position. So what we're going to be doing is putting two exercises together to create more stability through the ankle, knee, and also the hip joint. So the first thing I want you to do is pick the leg that you're going to start on your single leg stability. So I'm going to pick my left leg on this side, and then from here, I'm going to bring my right leg out of the equation. So I'm flexing my knee to bring myself like so. Now I'm balancing on just my left leg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bend my knee and I'm going to lean forwards, trying to keep a straight back as I do so. This is going to challenge the ankle and knee more specifically. And I'm now going to reach out to the side. So laterally, I'm going to keep my balance as I then come forwards and then to the other side. Back to the center, diagonal, forwards, diagonal. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions before doing exactly the same on the other side. Each time you reach 1, 2, and 3, that would be one repetition of this exercise.